Right, I have had new liners fitted. Yeah, cut it up, please. Come here. What's the material? Let me feel it. No, that's like plastic material. That's no good. It's no good for oil. I want cotton. Right, here we go. So, probably difficult for you to see in this light, but the opposite bearing tag. I got a box of crap. He sent all the crap back, actually. Where did he send it back to? There, is that it? Yeah, that's a main cap. There's a main cap bearing. And they got these little teeth. See on these little tangs. Ooh, tang. They got these little tangs to stop the bearings turning in the block. And on 1, 2. Yeah, on a few of these, there's stamp marks. There shouldn't be any kind of mark because the bearing can't move. Bearing shouldn't move. Bearing should be jammed in the cap, but there's like stamp marks where these have been dancing. So we've had the block align board, which I can definitely see, and the only thing that scares me now is once you start boring a block this way, your pistons end up coming out the top more. But there's not much I can do about that until I've built it up. The first job, before anything else, is cleaning this mofo, because it's absolutely filthy. All the engineering swarf is still in it. So somehow I've got to, well, that might work actually. I was going to take the block off and place it in there, but I want to recirculate all the fluid I'm using, so yeah, I'm going to need a lot, love. Oh, I'll tell you what, can you find me a nice new paintbrush, please?
Is it big one?
No, I didn't ask for a big one. I just said a nice new paintbrush. Small one. I didn't say big one. I didn't say big one. Where were we? Oh yeah, I can see swarf built up in that main oil gallery like there's no tomorrow. So I'm going to have to organise how to clean this thing and get back to you lot when I've found a way to do it.